Hello to all woodworkers, DIYers, I need your help. I got this wood from a said box store and my dimensions was 28 and a half length by 11 and 3/4 width. However, so here is my correct dimensions, 3/4, and as the tape measure comes down, it gets larger. So now we're down at the end and it's at 7/8 of an inch. So please, the box store told me there was nothing that they could do. Please help me. How can I correct their issue? My heart is broken because I don't know how to fix it. And I thought that they would. And I have 5 other pieces.